That's Katy Perry on Dubai 103.8. It is it's 26 minutes past 4. I am Helen Farmer, and it is your free legal clinic. Man of the hour, Mohammed Kawasmi, is in the studio, real estate partner at Al-Tamimi and Company, taking my questions and yours. Anonymous message here, and you can always be completely anonymous, doesn't matter. So here's a quite complicated one, but hopefully one you can help with. Saying, I have a question about commercial tenancy. I work out of a co-working space, have a private office which was rented on a per-desk basis. When I took it on, it was a 2-desk office. Now I've been told the same office is a 3-desk office, and my rent is going up 50% from next month. I thought that because I have an Ajari, I was covered by RERA commercial law, and that would A, get reasonable notice, 90 days, and that my increases would be in line with market, so maybe 20% max. Although the in-text is saying I'm actually over market and no increase is warranted. My co-working space is telling me because it's a business services space, they're able to change the occupancy without notice and that I'm not covered by RERA. I'm really struggling to find any guidance and my contract doesn't have any clauses about increases and notice. What do you advise? That sounds stressful. You're starting a business and suddenly you're a whacking great increase. What would your advice to this listener be, Mohammed?
Yeah, I think we need to agree on the main principle, which is in Dubai we have just one tenancy law. And this tenancy law cover all tenancy relation, either residential, commercial, industrial, everything is regulated under this tenancy law. There is no special law or regulations related to business centers or so on. Now, the question is, do we have landlord-tenant relationship? Now, to answer this question, we have to review the agreement. As long as there is landlord, tenant, rent, space, then we have a tenancy relationship. Okay, this is how it should be, unless we need to review the agreement carefully. The fact that he mentioned that it is registered with Ijari, that means the land department accepted that it is considered as a lease agreement. Therefore, it should be subject to the tenancy law and all the rules and regulations related to the increase of rent and other issue. This is my view, but again, we need to review the contract carefully.
We've only got a minute before the headlines, Mohammed. So if you were this listener, how would you be pushing back? Do you need to get a lawyer involved at this case? Would you go to RERA and say, this is the situation I'm facing? What would you do?
Yeah, I think as a tenant, you need to take the first position, which is to claim that you are a tenant and refer to the tenancy law. Therefore, as you know, in the tenancy law, any landlord, if they want to increase the rent, they have to serve 90 days notice unless the contract provides for another period of time. And he can resist this. Now, if there is no agreement, then we have the Rental Dispute Settlement Center, which is located at the Land Department. And they are the one who can decide on this. Okay,
really hope that helps. Sounds, as I said, super stressful and frustrating. But as we just said there, it's ticking a lot of boxes, especially that Ajari. So you're probably more protected than you think. Well worth a conversation with RERA. Messages coming in galore. We're talking property law, free legal advice, as you've just been hearing. No need to send letters, no need to put your hand in your pocket, apart from getting out your phone and sending me and Mohammed a message on 4001 on the app or the WhatsApp. We've got neglectful landlords who are refusing to clean AC ducts and units for a year. We've had illegal evictions. We've had asked questions about, can landlords list their own property on property portals without involving agents, and so much more. Please do reach out. As I said, no name necessary, or you can give us a call on 04871 5500. Also coming your way, one for the families. We've got VIP tickets to go and see a fantastic new show that's coming to town.
Your ARN News.
Good afternoon, I'm Andrew Hosey. The